Bubbles, Lily?
Uh-oh. Yeah, what do you think? Oh, man.
Oh, you get it all over you.
All over
It's fine. We'll clean it up.
Look at him! Look!
You need to see her face. Hi!
Man. I'm not very good at
You have to blow
them.
softer. Or quicker.
There we go.
Oh, is that the cat? Are you gonna get the cat? What are you doing, you crazy girl? You gonna get the cat? You're missing out on the bubble action, Lily. Yeah, bubble. She said bubbles earlier.
Oh, yeah.
But then she wouldn't repeat it for a minute. She's like, I love you despite your lack of bubble skills, Mom.
Sorry. I'm doing a horrible job.
Here, Lily, look. Oh, I just got bubbles all over the camera. I didn't do a much better job.
Better than me.
Look at Hi. It's on your head. I don't know, I'm not doing it. You're missing the bubbles. You want this, huh? Go. It's
She keeps turning away from me every time I get her face.
Yeah. And it was fun? Are you done with bubbles? She's like, alright, that's good.
Where are you going, Lily?
Actually, it was like, no, it wasn't 24 hours. Because she was having up around 6 in the morning, Sunday, and it wasn't until like 2 that night, between Monday morning, went in and
Lily's seeing how much she weighs.
So it was like 21 hours of labor.
She can't get the scale to turn on.
That's not, I mean, it's pretty standard. Like,
Here, you want to be a princess in your chair?
Hi, Lily. Lily. Lily.
Bill's wife's pregnant again. They haven't.
Oh.
It seems like
Got the royal. What do they call those?
Rolly chair or the cat?
No, the royal. You know.
Bear?
The stick thing that royalty has.
Her scepter?
Yeah.
Her scepter of penguin?
Scepter of Christmas penguin. Here.
Oh, now you have two.
Okay.
Where are the cats? Do you see that kitten? Oh, you want it? There you go. You get it, kitten. He wants you to play with it, Lily.
Lily, don't dive off on your head.
Yeah, she's like, I know. I'll turn around. You gonna play with the cat? I can't believe that hasn't run out of memory yet.
Almost to 5 minutes. Lily, come back. My subject is escaping.
Or it might be that, I mean,
Uh-oh, you took the mouse out already. It's not in there. And you took the mouse ball. What are you doing, Lily? Oh, she took that special sticker off of it. Okay. Lily, say bye-bye. Lily. Lily. Say bye-bye, Lily. Lily. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. She's like, I got this mouse. I don't care what you guys do. Oh, and a keyboard.